how to connect Zendrop to Etsy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, you could actually connect Zendrop to Etsy by using Shopify as your middleman. Now you might have noticed when you're trying to connect Zendrop to a store, the only available options there were actually just Shopify and TikTok Shop. And if you want to connect Zendrop to Etsy where you could sell different items in Etsy through Zendrop, you will have to do it through Shopify. Now, Shopify has the feature to add apps or to connect apps. So simply search or click on add apps over here and open your Shopify app store. Search for Etsy. We want an integration or an application that would allow us to sync our Shopify together with Etsy, and we could use this app over here. So what you could just basically do is you could add products in Zendrop to Shopify and then simply use this app to recognize that the different products added to Shopify and be able to sync it or import it into your Etsy, and you then could sell items that you have taken from Zendrop into Etsy. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.